Hello everyone, it's Akhona, the rooftop farmer by Handpicked City Farm in Kennered Center. Today we'll be speaking about tomatoes and the diseases that we came across. So this is our tomato tree. This is how we support them. See, we use these wires. And we came across this, which is called bottom end rot. It's a sign of a lack of calcium in your soil or your medium. So for bottom end rot, this is what we use. We use calcium, a foliar spray of calcium. Per liter we use 5 pounds. So this is what we are using to measure. So because my water is 1.5 liters, I'm going to use 7.5 pounds. Shake it up a bit. So we spray directly on the roots. Why do I do that? I don't want to burn my plants because sometimes calcium will burn your plants, so it's much better to be safe than sorry. Yeah, voila! Thank you guys for watching. Keep watching and let me know what you want advice on. Thank you.